Okay, so this is a short video on our ISIS bottom bracket install assist tool. Essentially what it does is it keeps the tool attached to the bottom bracket and the teeth indexed into their home on the bottom bracket shell. Basically it consists of your ISIS tool and a bearing as a spacer, knurled lock nut, that's to apply tension to the tool, and where it really, this is the unique bit, this is a crank bolt that we've tapped to accept this thread. So when it all works together, which I'll show you, you can focus all your effort on loosening the bottom bracket or tightening it up, and rather than trying to keep the tool stuck in the frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the other side as you normally would, loosen off the adjustable cup side, so the non-drive side. Here we are, you got your lock ring here, and I've cheated and already loosened it up. This is pretty simple. This is your lock ring tool. You get that in there, index is in fine, back that off, terrific. Now, as far as actually removing the adjustable cup, we'll go through it and you'll see how it's done. First you put in this adapter axle bolt all the way in, so it's right all the way into the axle there. Then you get your tool, put it in place, and you're going to take this guy here, tighten it up. You might want to put a little tension, but first make notice where you are, because when you get your wrench on there, it's ideal to have the tool at an angle that provides you the most leverage. So in the case of tightening it, it could be like that. I would tighten this up. That's going to effectively lock the tool in place. So that tool is not going anywhere. If you didn't like that particular location, you could loosen this off without taking the tool out and then change. Just like that. And then you would tighten it back up again. You want to have the tool pretty far in. I mean, this spring or this arrangement here is just to afford you a little bit of time before you have to actually go ahead and tighten it up again. So if we would be loosening this, which is what we're doing, we're going to give that a bit of tension. There you go. This is a 1 3/4 wrench. And now you've loosened it. And as you're starting to back it off, where the spring comes into its own is that the cup's coming out, but the axle isn't. So you're going to end up binding the tool. I can actually make that happen. And there. So you're going to want to back that out a bit. There you go. Reverses for install. You're holding the tool in there. And you would tighten this down so the tool's not coming out. Torque it down. And that's essentially your bottom bracket assistance tool.